Mince, boo, it's so boring. But not anymore, because I've got a very exciting South African inspired recipe that you can jazz up your boring mince with. It's Bobotie served with yellow rice and sultanas. Preheat your oven to gas mark 5 or 200 degrees Celsius. Then you need 2 pieces of bread. You just tear it up a little bit, pop it in a bowl. Make sure the bread is covered with milk, pop it to one side to soak, and then brown 500 grams of minced beef. You should always brown all mince before you add it to any recipe that you're doing. This is because loads of fat comes off it, even if it's a really healthy mince like this. I'll show you how much fat comes off in a minute. While the mince is browning, peel and dice 1 onion very roughly. Also, peel and crush 3 cloves of garlic. I've drained my mince and I want to show you what came off. And by the way, this is the healthy mince. Look at that fat. This is wasting calories, ladies. This is not what we want. So pour this down the sink and not down your throat, because those calories could be used in better ways instead, like a glass of wine perhaps, or the chocolate cake for after dinner. That is the best place for you. Return the mince to the pan over a medium heat and add your onion, garlic, add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You need 4 bay leaves. I'll save these ones for later. Half a teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. In that goes. Add 75 grams of sultanas, and finally your soggy bread from earlier and the milk as well. Then just stir the whole thing over a medium heat for about 5 minutes until the onions have gone soft. Make sure that all that bread is really mushed up and combined really well, and all those spices are really mixed up really well with the mince. Also add a bit of salt and pepper to season. While that's cooking, I'm going to make the topping. And it's so easy. You just need 200 mils of milk approximately, and 2 eggs. I'm just going to crack them in. Crack them into a mug first if you'd like you to get shell in there. Just a bit of salt and pepper. And then give it a good old whisk. So now I'm pouring the mince into an oven-proof dish, because the onions are nice and soft now. Using the back of a large serving spoon, just press it all down neatly into the dish. Finally, pour over your eggy custard. If you want to, you can decorate it with a few bay leaves like that. And then pop it into the oven. The Bobotie will bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the top is nice and golden brown, which is just the perfect amount of time for us to make the yellow rice to go with it. Just make 300 grams of basmati rice. Cook it according to the packet, but just add 75 grams of sultanas, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric at the start of the cooking. It's cooked now and it smells so good. Look at the lovely goldeny brown top there. It looks so pretty, you could even have it for a dinner party or something. My rice is also cooked as well, so now I'm going to serve it up. So here we have South African inspired Bobotie with yellow rice with sultanas. It's an incredible £1.10 per serving, and what an exciting way to jazz up boring old mince. Full recipe details are at GourmetMum.tv, my website, where you can also find loads of other great recipes, a blog and loads of other great tips and ideas for in the kitchen. See you next time!